Ever felt the pressure to look busy, even when you're not? Welcome to the Ultimate Guide. Today, we're unlocking the secrets to appearing productive without actually doing anything. It's an art, really. First up, the deep thought technique. This one's a classic. Lean in, stare intently at your screen, and sprinkle in exaggerated nods. Bonus points for furrowed brows, followed by the thoughtful chin scratch. It screams, I'm processing complex data. Next, we have the typing fury method. Precision is key here. Rapid, senseless keyboard smashing. The louder, the better. It implies urgent data entry, even if it's just ASDFGHJKL. And the dramatic save gesture. Slam that hand on the desk like you've just averted a global crisis. Our third technique, the power walk maneuver. Movement equals productivity, right? Walk purposefully, document in hand, avoiding all eye contact. You're on a mission, a very important, ambiguous mission. Then, the urgent stop at the water cooler. A quick, serious sip, and back to the grind. Fourth on our list, the fake phone call classic. Timeless. Hold that phone to your ear, whisper intently, and nod along as if receiving groundbreaking news. Absolutely, send it over. Conclude with a decisive hang up and a deep sigh. You've just handled something crucial. Finally, the strategic mess approach. Controlled chaos. Spread papers, highlighters, and coffee cups aimlessly. It suggests you're juggling multiple, highly complex projects. Top it off with a look of utter overwhelm. You're so busy, you can barely cope. And there you have it. Master these techniques, and you'll navigate your workday appearing effortlessly productive. Go forth and look busy.